Welcome back to a brand new video. We're going to be installing rockbox on our iPod. This is iPod nano, second generation. It's called pink. Because so I can get it, I got it with home. You need this rockbox utility on Windows, Mac, or Linux machine. You just need the rockbox utility on your device. You want your iPod or MP3 player, which is any MP3 player, not any, most. You don't just need your Apple iPod. I don't think I will have Zooms though. But more than can't. Yeah. Your phone in. I'm putting my photo phone into the iPod. Give you interesting to take a video. 1 minute. There. It should say do not disconnect. Here is the rockbox. You want to install. You want to install on choose bootloader. Rockbox. You can also choose game files if you want. Font of things. I'm going to just install software. It should be a very quick install because that it should go. It do not disconnect. And yeah, it's a finished install. Into the iPod. These 2 buttons. That restarting. Restart to rockbox. Now if you want to uninstall rockbox, just plug in your 5-pin cable. There. Rockbox is started. Now do back up. Now go on back to installation. Go back up and uninstallation. You can put back up. You need to uninstall. First thing though, you want to uninstall rockbox bootloader. So it's a bit more boot, but it's alright. Then you want to uninstall rockbox, entirely install all the rockbox, uninstall, finish uninstallation. Okay, now on your MP3 player, give it press your menu and do a OK button. Let's press these 2 buttons. Loading, you'll have to restart the old iPod. Let it reset, like that. Unplug your iPod. 1 second. There it is. It's going to reload the iPod. Restart the OS. This is where going back to normal Pixie OS with iPods. No rockbox, anything like that. Is that the best? Hold on, and goodbye.